Hi guys, it's Bronwyn from Gemma Bloom Plant Flowers. Seeing that we're all locked in our houses, I've gone into my garden to find some flowers that I can pick and arrange in the house. So what I found is some flax, which most of us have in our gardens. It can be used and bent, and it creates a nice straight lines, diagonal lines in your arrangements. This is a form of an aloe because of its colors and its strange shapes. I enjoyed the look of it, so I thought I'd cut some of that. This is just a normal ficus, and because it's flowering and it's got little buds on it and little yellow flowers, it makes it even more interesting. And also it's a bright green, so it will show up against the greys and create another new different kind of texture. Because we don't have flowers, I don't have cut flowers to use, I have to use greenery. The only flowers I do have are the flowers from my aloes. So I cut a few of these, and these are a beautiful bright orange, and they will add a beautiful texture to the arrangement. And lastly, I found one of my favorites, which is actually not indigenous, but it is in our garden because we love the look of it, and it's called snake grass, and that will add a nice modern creative edge to my green arrangement. So what I'd like to start off with is the greenery, which is going to form a nice like a cage at the bottom of my arrangement to hold everything up. So I'm going to find some pieces nice and long. You don't want any leaves in the water, because what it does is make it go rotten. So I do have the chicken, so as you see it's going to create a nice web which I can start using to arrange in, and use a lot because you need it to create that web and your base to your flowers. So now we've created the base. We want to keep it nice and soft with the leaves flowing over the edges so it looks like it's out the garden. That's the look we want. And from there we can decide what we're going to go with next. So we've got the front area, and then we're going to build up to the back. So I think the next thing I'm going to choose are my greys and put them in anywhere. They can hang over like that as well. It's never going to be perfect, but it's the joy of arranging from your garden. The next thing I want to do is I need to create something coming out to balance the heaviness on the right hand side. So I think I'm actually going to take my snake grass, I'm going to take the whole lot together. I'm going to trim the edges, tops off, like so. And I'm going to put them in as one big bunch and let them space out and fall into place. So as you see, it creates the dimensions. It's got some flowing at the back and coming down the front. Now I think what I'm going to do is use my aloe flowers. I might have, no, they're actually a perfect length. There we go. Now I want to see, it's a bit gappy, so I've got a very fine texture here, bold textures here, and I feel like I need something bold here. So I think I'm going to create something with my flax. Whoops.